During the cold winter months, the many lakes and ponds in Fairfax County tempt some people to venture out into what seems like frozen ice. But venturing out onto a body of water that only appears to be frozen can lead to tragic results. Falling through the ice into the cold water can quickly lead to severe injuries and even death. Exposure to the cold, especially cold water, can cause a condition called hypothermia, a drop in the body's core temperature. If you suspect someone is hypothermic, contact 911 immediately. Get fire and rescue en route. If the individual is still in the water, carefully throw them something like a rope or hose to pull them out of the water. Get the individual to someplace warmer. Remove any wet clothes and cover them with extra clothing or with a blanket. Because hypothermia can happen quickly in cold water, never attempt to go into the water or out onto the ice yourself.